In this video, we will talk about AI will make you poor if you don't do this now, so make sure to watch the full video. AI is rapidly reshaping the world, and if you're not preparing for its impact, you could be left behind. From automation threatening jobs to AI-driven innovations creating new opportunities, the stakes are high. Many are still relying on traditional job markets or old business models, unaware that AI is already taking over. To avoid financial struggles, it's crucial to act now. This isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving in an AI-dominated future. By adapting to AI technologies, acquiring new skills, and positioning yourself smartly, you can secure your future before it's too late. The clock is ticking. 1. The hidden dangers of AI in the job market. AI is revolutionizing industries, but it's also leading to massive job displacement. Automation and machine learning are already replacing roles in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and even finance. Many workers who once held stable jobs are now being replaced by algorithms and AI-powered systems, leaving them struggling to find new employment. As AI continues to advance, the risk of job losses only grows. If you don't adapt now by learning new, AI-resistant skills or diversifying your career, you could find yourself left behind, struggling to keep up with the fast-changing job market. Adaptability is key. 2. Why traditional jobs won't cut it in an AI-driven world. In a world dominated by AI, relying on traditional jobs is becoming increasingly risky. Many professions that once offered financial security are now being automated, leaving workers vulnerable. Whether it's in transportation, customer service, or administrative roles, AI is taking over tasks that were once considered indispensable. Without the right skills, those that complement AI or cannot be easily automated, your career prospects may diminish rapidly. To avoid falling behind, it's essential to embrace roles that require human creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. The time to future-proof your career by focusing on these areas is now. 3. How AI will change your finances if you're not prepared. AI is not only reshaping industries but also how we manage our finances. From investment algorithms to budgeting apps, AI is becoming a significant player in the financial sector. However, failing to adapt to these advancements could lead to financial struggles. As AI-driven tools become the norm for managing investments and finances, those who don't understand or utilize them may find themselves losing out on potential gains. It's crucial to start learning how AI works in the financial world now, so you don't get left behind in a time where the smart management of money is becoming automated and data-driven. 4. AI's impact on wealth distribution. Are you ready? AI is shifting the way wealth is distributed, and without action, it could leave many individuals behind. The people who are able to harness AI to boost productivity and innovation will have the upper hand, while those who resist or fail to adopt new technologies may see their wealth diminish. The shift towards automation and AI means that the gap between the wealthy and the rest is likely to widen. If you don't take steps now to invest in AI knowledge or adapt to the changing landscape, you may find yourself on the wrong side of this growing divide. 5. How AI will erase middle-class jobs, and what to do about it. The rise of AI threatens to wipe out many middle-class jobs, as automation takes over tasks that were once done by humans. Positions in clerical work, manual labor, and even professional sectors like law and accounting are increasingly being automated. This could lead to a further concentration of wealth in the hands of those who own or control the AI technologies. To safeguard your financial future, it's crucial to reskill and pivot toward industries where human expertise is still essential, such as technology, healthcare, or creative fields. Those who fail to adapt may find themselves out of work with limited options. 6. The skills you need to stay ahead of AI and protect your career. To ensure you aren't left behind in the AI revolution, learning new, relevant skills is crucial. Soft skills like emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex problem solving are areas where humans still have an edge over AI. Additionally, technical skills in AI programming, data analysis, and machine learning will be incredibly valuable as industries increasingly rely on these technologies. Now is the time to invest in education that aligns with the AI-driven future, so you can stay competitive and avoid becoming obsolete in a rapidly changing job market. These skills can secure your place in the workforce of tomorrow. 7. Why AI will make you poor if you stick to old business models. In business, staying static while the world changes around you can lead to disaster. AI is revolutionizing industries, creating new business models, and reshaping consumer expectations. If you continue to rely on traditional, outdated business strategies, you risk losing out to more AI-savvy competitors. Companies that use AI to streamline operations, predict trends, and personalize customer experiences are already gaining a significant edge. To stay competitive, you need to embrace AI-driven changes, adopt innovative strategies, and incorporate technology into your operations. Businesses that fail to do this could find themselves struggling to stay afloat in an increasingly automated world. 8. AI and automation. Why your income may disappear without action. AI and automation aren't just about the jobs that are disappearing, they are also about the new kinds of income that can be generated. As automation takes over routine tasks, humans are left to perform the more complex, creative, and strategic work. If you don't act now to shift your career or income streams to areas where you can complement AI, your income could diminish as automated systems replace traditional jobs. To stay financially secure, consider diversifying your income and exploring opportunities in the gig economy, freelance work, or businesses that leverage AI to provide value to clients and customers. 9. Why you need to start investing in AI now before it's too late. One of the most critical ways to ensure financial stability in an AI-driven world is by investing in AI-related fields. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into various industries, early investments in AI startups, technologies, or education can yield significant returns. The companies that are leading AI innovations will likely be the next generation of tech giants, making them prime candidates for investment. Don't wait until it's too late, start learning about AI, diversifying your investments, and positioning yourself as someone who understands and can navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. 10. AI will leave you behind if you don't adapt. Here's how to prepare. The pace at which AI is advancing means that those who don't adapt will quickly be left behind, especially when it comes to career and financial success. Start by learning the basics of AI technology and how it impacts your industry. Consider reskilling or upskilling in areas where human expertise still matters, such as leadership, creativity, and strategic thinking. Additionally, leveraging AI tools to enhance your productivity can give you a significant advantage. By taking proactive steps now, you can ensure that AI serves as an ally rather than a threat to your financial future. AI is changing everything, and if you're not prepared, it could make you financially vulnerable. Traditional careers and old business models are becoming obsolete as automation and AI take over. However, this shift isn't just a threat, it's an opportunity. By learning new skills, investing in AI-related fields, and embracing technology, you can stay ahead of the curve. The key is to adapt quickly and think strategically. Don't wait for the future to catch up with you. Act now, and you'll be well positioned to thrive in an AI-powered world, securing both your career and financial future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.